Well, we're about to fire the Busa up. My YouTube family, this is the 1300 GSXR Busa that we picked up last night, me and my wife's cousin. We're going to be redoing it. It was obviously in a wreck. So let's hear what she sounds like. A little difficult to do with one hand trying to record. Damn it. Come on.